So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that today the stock has given very good movement of almost 3% and it has closed near the 100 rupees level. So previously we have discussed about Tata Power. We have discussed near the 92 rupees level and we have seen that near term resistances are 100 rupees level. So since now it is near that particular region itself, so many people are having queries regarding the technicals, that is what would be the next possible supports as well as next targets. So all these things we'll try to analyze in this particular video, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first let us start our discussion seeing all the deliveries, that how much quantities are being taken on a regular basis. So you can see on April 29th almost 14.4% deliveries have been taken, and you can see the stock has corrected almost 0.3%. So previously also it has showed correction, but the how much amount it is correcting, it is slightly negligible. So only 0.1, 0.3. So in that particular range it is correcting. So earlier also when it has given huge correction, especially when it has gone to 92 rupees region, so that time clearly we discussed that we need to add at each and every dip. So there were also many updates regarding Tata Power that it will launch a separate entity that is related to renewable sector, so that it can diversify the valuation and also it will benefit the entire sector. So whatever the decisions that Tata Group takes are ultimately, we know, they be at the top position. So all the Tata companies, like whatever we see, all perform very well. So many people told that there are negative news regarding the Singapore deal, whatever they have cancelled. So that is not a major issue, because only Tata Power has taken the decision. So whenever they take the decision, obviously that would have some meaning. So that's why stock has also not reacted to that particular updates much, and it has continued that particular positive trend. So 100 rupees level, as we discussed, is very important. So currently the time is almost 1:23. So more time is left for the market to close. So let's hope that if it closes above 100 rupees level, so then we can expect some further uptrend in this particular stock. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the supports and resistances. Okay, so we're back on to the technical charts. So right now market situation, we know little correction was seen today, so not heavy correction. So ultimately today we have seen some gap down opening, but later little recovery was seen in market itself. So when we see in 1 week chart, clearly you can see two lines. So one is 200-day exponential moving average, another one is 50-day exponential moving average. So you can see that they are trying to approach closer to each other. So I told you clearly that whenever a small moving average crosses, that is cuts a large moving average, so then it is a bullish indication. So same thing I discussed in SAIL itself, that is Steel Authority of India. So in that particular stock also I told you this particular crossover has been generated, so definitely stock also may react positively in the coming sessions, and you can see today also it has given 6 to 7% positive movement. So technicals are very important, so you need to understand these simple terms so that you can earn some quick profit in a short span of time. Okay, so now coming to the levels wise, clearly you can see the way it has corrected in weekly time frame, and the consecutive 2 weeks you can see today it has closed with some very positive movement. You can also understand all as well. So from 90 rupees level you can see a very good retracement has been seen, and 100 rupees level is going to be the next important support for Tata Power. And coming to next possible resistances, so that would be 105 followed by 1110. So these are going to be the next possible resistances. So maximum it will try to approach that. Let's see even market if it is in little positive direction, so definitely stock also will continue that particular trend. So next, going little bit down, you can see money flow index. So that you can see it is near the 56 region. So not in overbought as well as not in oversold. It is in mid-range. So it has come down from the overbought region when the particular selling that was seen in the market. But again, it is now telling that in coming sessions, the stock also may react in a positive direction. So that is what I'm trying to tell. So focus on the 100 rupees level very carefully. If you're already invested near 92 rupees region, definitely you can hold for long term. So near term targets would be 105 as well as 1110. So that is in 1 week time frame. So now let's go to 1 day chart. So there also we'll see what are the levels. Okay, so we're back onto the 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart also you can see this was the candle, the bearish candle. That time we have uploaded a separate video and we discussed all the levels. So that time clearly we have seen that 9500. So these were only the main resistances. So considerably after when market also has continuously retraced, the stock also has reacted positively. So clearly you can see here a gap was initiated. So when this particular fall was seen, so that time a gap was seen. So now the stock is trying to fill this particular gap, and you can see 102 is the place where the gap completely will be closed. So that is going to be very important. So will it retrace from that? So that is definitely you need to watch it. So again, if it will take near support near the 100, then again it will start retracing. So watch the 102 rupees level very carefully. So that is the basic idea that we are getting from 1 day chart. So once it crosses that 102 also with a good volume, then definitely 105 110 can be easily achieved. So hold it for long term. So don't have any panic situation that I need to sell it. No, don't sell it, hold it. So all these stocks are very good for long term. So only thing is that when you're getting opportunity, you need to add in small portions and need to accumulate. So here also money flow index is near 62. So that is also in mid range and it may retrace at any point of time. Okay, so my view is that you need to hold it and you need to add near the 100 or 105 depending upon you when it crosses the resistance. And supports wise, already I told you 95 is the near term support. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.